Have you ever heard of humic and fulvic acids? They're organic acids found in the soil. Small but powerful, they're an extremely effective tool for boosting your health and wellness based on their unique properties for supporting systemic detoxification, cellular health, and energy production. First, humic and fulvic acids are natural binders, which means they can grab onto unwanted substances in your system like environmental elements and safely eliminate them through digestion. Now, you may have heard of traditional binders used in detox protocols before, like charcoal and bentonite clay. So why not use those? Because traditional binders function very differently from fulvic and humic acids. Traditional binders have long structures, which means they can't bind to anything beyond your gut. They're too big to move on to other parts of your body where toxins commonly accumulate, like your cells and tissues. Traditional binders like clay and charcoal also contain what are called spent carbons. This literally means they're spent. They have limited space to bind to toxins in the first place. Think of spent carbons as a school bus with only a few seats left. Limited space for a limited number of toxins. This can't exactly move the needle to your health. On the other hand, fulvic and humic acids contain unspent carbons, which means they have full room on their bus available for several toxins to take a seat and get carried away out of your system. Fulvic and humic acids also have smaller structures, which allows them to travel to different parts of the body beyond the gut. This means they can support detoxification in the gut, but they can also get to the harder to reach places like the cells and tissues, which means they support systemic detoxification. Another important thing to mention is that traditional binders like clay and charcoal don't discriminate. While this sounds like a positive thing, it isn't. This means they may bind onto a few of the toxins in your gut, but will also bind and remove the beneficial nutrients your body needs. On the other hand, fulvic and humic acids are smarter and selective in what they remove from your system. As they bind to what your body doesn't need, they leave behind beneficial nutrients that your body does need. Fulvic and humic acids support cellular repair, detoxification, and boost mitochondrial function, which can help optimize energy production. Since every process in the body requires sufficient energy, fulvic and humic acids provide the foundational support to boost every aspect of health, from detoxification, immunity, and digestion to healthy aging. Optimizing your cellular health lays the groundwork for health and longevity, and fulvic and humic acids are two of the most powerful nutrients you can include in your routine each day to support the core of healthy cells.